Temperatures into the 100s well
Mwah.
into September. High temperatures around the west on Thursday. Phoenix also at 101, 74 down in Los Angeles, 84 up in Winnemucca. What else is going on? Well, that 101 is so far for the high on Thursday before all is said and done. There's a possibility we may end up that 102. Meantime, it always check the rain. There was some rain in Boulder City. In fact, 3/4 of an inch of rain in about a 15-minute period. Guess what? It was not
See you later. Bye.